It is strange that, the Congress chief minister endorsing Gujarat model and the achievements of Sri Narendra Modi in Gujarat during his tenure as a chief minister, because Congress always has, criticized the Gujarat model. Congress always has taken the line of, Sri Narendra Modi was a failure in Gujarat and Gujarat model was fake. But yesterday, the entire episode run between the Honorable Prime Minister and the Chief Minister during the official programs clearly shows the unholy nexus between Congress.
Aim right, achieve big. At KR Mangalam University, we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
And, BJP in Telangana. The clearly Chief Minister seems to be very soft on the BJP. And because he was endorsing Gujarat model, asking for the support. In return, Prime Minister Modi was saying, if you want support, join me. It's a clear indication that, they are hand in glove. They are together in Telangana. They are together in Telangana and they want to eliminate BRS from the race. But however, people of Telangana are clear. BRS is the strong alternative in the Telangana state in the next elections. They want KCR to come back. It is, I want to ask the Congress leadership. Is Congress leadership, the top leadership is endorsing the Viksit Bharat model presented by the BJP first, though it's an NDA government model, but ultimately the leading party, the major partner is BJP. So the Rahul Gandhi ji and all the top leadership of Congress must be thinking on all these lines. They should answer this. Whatever may be the case, whether Congress and BJP works together, tries to show a different picture to the people of Telangana, both the parties could not show a proper development model to Telangana. Congress, in 2.5 years of their rule, they failed. And BJP yesterday, people of Telangana have expected more from Honorable Prime Minister, rather than few inaugurations and the foundation laying ceremonies. They have expected more, basically on the promises which were made during the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh and whatever pending promises which were not honored. People of Telangana expected that Honorable Prime Minister will declare them, rather make some announcements. In that front, yesterday's Modi visit disappointed people of Telangana and clearly exposed the unholy nexus between Congress and BJP.